Numerical data. Numerical data is data that's been given a number form. Or in other words, numerical data is numbers. It tends to be things you count or things that you measure. Column graph is the same as for categorical data, but with numbers on the horizontal axis rather than categories. And we'll see that in the example that's coming up, which is example 9. The data below represents the number of siblings that the students in Opie's class have. So we're going to do a tally table. Now, doing this is exactly the same as it was before when we were dealing with categorical data. Just be careful. So let's do the tally first. So we've got 1, 1, 5. Then I've got a 0, a 2, and a 1. And then another 2, a 4, and a 0. A 0, a 1, and a 2. 2, and another 2, making a block of 5, and a 3. A 1, which makes a block of 5, another 1, and a 6. Another 1, another 2, a 4, a 2, a 3. It's easy to make a mistake doing this. Yes, it was a 3. And another 3. And another 3. And then a 1. And another 1. Another 1, making a block of 5. A 2. And a 2. So I can see that there were 3, 10, 9, 4, 2, 1, and 1. Let's add those up. So that's 13, 22, 26, 28, 29, 30. And pieces of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 3. So there were 30 pieces of data. So that's usually a good sign. Create a column graph for the class's sibling data. So we can see 0 siblings here. It has a frequency of 3. 1 has a frequency of 10. Remember, frequency just says how many of them we have. 2 has a frequency of 9. So that would give us this column. 3 has a frequency of 4. 4 has a frequency of 2. And 5 and 6 both have a frequency of 1. Now I'm just going to make a note here on the mode. It wasn't actually asked in the question, but we know from doing the work on categorical data that the mode is the most frequently occurring. Now we would spot that by the highest frequency here. But because we're dealing with numerical data, sometimes students get confused. And it's important to note that the mode here is 1, not the 10, because 1 is the actual piece of data. So the mode here is 1.